Hello everyone, welcome back to Shoot Big Red TV. We're here at the Barclay Studios tonight with our special guest, Chris Spagnoletti, talking to us about complete blood cell count. Chris, how you doing?
Nice to meet you, man.
So Chris, why don't you tell me a little bit about a complete blood cell count? What exactly is it?
A complete blood cell count, or CBC for short, presents a microscopic review of a blood sample. Now, what that is it examines a specific component of whole blood in a human and expresses those components in units. So a typical adult has about 5 liters of blood in their body, typed either A, B, AB, or O. And depending on the proteins on the surfaces of your red blood cells, you could either be Rh positive or Rh negative. 52 to 62% of that blood is roughly plasma, which is just water, and the remaining 38 to 48% is blood cells. And the 3 components of the blood cells that we have are erythrocytes, which are red blood cells, leukocytes, which are white blood cells, and platelets. And now the functions of the red blood cells are to carry oxygens to working tissues, and the function of the white blood cells is to fight off invasions or unrecognized foreign elements in the body.
So Chris, tell me how a CBC is performed.
A CBC test is performed by a procedure called venous puncture. First, the cubital fossa is cleaned off with an alcohol swab. Next, a compression tourniquet is placed around the upper arm. Once the technician feels around for the vein that the needle is going to be inserted into, the needle is then inserted and the blood is began to draw. Depending on the type of test that the physician orders will determine how much blood is being drawn. The needle is then removed and gauze is taped over the needle puncture.
Chris, thanks for all that great information. So why would someone want to get a CBC done?
Well, Vin, there's a couple important reasons why anybody would get a CBC test done. First, to review overall health. Physicians frequently order these tests to review overall health, to diagnose a medical condition, monitor a medical condition, or to monitor the medical treatment that they're currently giving to that medical condition. A CBC test is also used to diagnose viral and bacterial infections such as upper respiratory infections, mononucleosis, anemias, leukemias. It is also ordered when determining cholesterol levels, vitamin and mineral deficiencies, and drug testing. However, these test results can be affected by stress, dehydration, overhydration, or just anything that's going on in that person's life at that time.